person that wants to how to say form a family. I don't know how to say the word. And it's new for me because I didn't know the Rambam has a halacha for this topic. But today we see this is different. So my question is, at which point we are allowed to, for example, for a Shidduch to demand her to have the same bitachon and emunah we have in Hashem. That, for example, she's from very far away, and she's not very, how to say, is in doubt if we are going to be able to be together.
Okay, so first of all, we cannot demand, but that's what Jewish shidduch is. So when people go out on a shidduch, it's like a date, right? Date in English. So they sit down together, like one across the other, no touching, no sitting next to each other, and they talk and they ask all these questions. How do you see your life? How do you see your life? Not where you want to go to vacation, but how do you see your future? Right, and she would say, I want to have 4 children, 5 children, whatever. And he said, no, I want only 2. She said, no, whatever, they're not good enough. So, or he said, I'd love to learn Torah. Torah is my passion. I cannot live without Torah. And she said, but you know what? I'm looking for a professional. So in this case, like you hear this professional, meaning he's working, right? So as soon as you hear this, it's a red flag, and that's it. You stop. So that's and then you talk about this emunah, if she has emunah or not. So I mean, don't expect that she's going to develop later on in life. Maybe yes, maybe no, and then you got stuck. That's the problem.
Because I remember a shiur that Rabbi said that if you are waiting to have hundreds of dollars and everything, then you are going to be single and miserable until 50, 70 years.
Yeah.
So that was the reason of my question: how much I can or cannot demand to a girl to have emunah that Hashem will provide everything. Although at the moment, right now, we don't have anything.
So, but it's all okay. It all depends on her, of course. So if she. You see, how to put it? 1 second. So basically, the rule is if she's not ready, if she's not on the level of emunah, don't do it. Don't commit to any relation. Don't go further. Don't expect that she's going to come up like later on in life. So you're going to be disappointed very much. So, but on another hand, you have no right like expect that now you are right, and now your tzaddik will look, not you but a person, right? Big tzaddik is decided looking for shidduch, and now the Mrs. Perfect, Hashem is going to send the Mrs. Perfect. No, you talk and you see you have your deficiency, she has hers, but you have to analyze it, be realistic. What you can live with. Okay, she has this problem. Okay, everybody have issues, so I can live with this issue. But some issues, like for me, for every person, it's like a red line. I'm not going. That's too much. That's out of the question.
So the conclusion is at the end that we are not allowed to demand the other person, the girl, to have the same level of emunah.
No,
we are not. We must not hope she is going in the near future to have the same emunah.
No.
Okay. Okay. That answers my question.
You have to like I don't know if you when in Jewish world it says that a man buys a wife. That's a business transaction, and all of business transaction we learn from marriage, basically. Not all, but many, right? So he buys. So when you go and buy to the store, so you cannot pretend that this product that you buy is going to do something extra. No, you buy it for a face value, whatever is it right now, and then you say if it's going to be like this, that's I agree to live like that. You understand? If it's going to improve this time, Baruch Hashem, I got lucky. But if not, that's not your fault. Because people build up themselves all of this expectation, and she wants to be liked, and we have this problem. With the girl, we were trying to help with Shidduch, and she became like she put it in her head like she was actress, man, and she everybody should like it. I said, why should I have this conversation with my wife, and we tried to talk her out of it, well, whatever other person says, she wants to be liked, and so she would have as many choices of Shidduch as possible. I said that's also not normal. And my wife told her why pretending and she would bring these guys to our house and we meet them. Basically, she didn't have parents, so we were like a parents to her, stuff like that. So, but it was not good, basically. And I said, just be yourself. That's what I am. I'm not going to change. Let's say, of course, we will planning to change to the better, but they say, I'm not going to change. He's not going to change. She's not going to change. On this level, am I ready to accept all of these positive things, sides of the deficiencies? Basically, that's what we do.